Is the MX Master 4 worth the wait? The MX Master 2S was released in 2017, and the MX Master 3 was released at the end of 2019. Now it's 2021 and everyone's looking forward to a new mouse. I have the resources to tell you whether you should wait for the MX Master 4 or just straight out buy the 3. In case you forgot what the Master 3 has to offer, give me a few seconds to summarize. You can customize the mouse to up to 4,000 dots per linear inch or DPI, which lets you be hypersensitive when you're playing games or even just doing productivity work. It features premium stainless steel scroll wheels on both the vertical and horizontal axis. Counting middle click, it features 5 custom buttons which you can set to any key or any function. It also features gestures in which you can convert the movement of the mouse into shortcuts that you can set up inside the Logitech Options app. It has multi-device connectivity with up to 3 devices, and it features USB-C charging, which in my opinion is one of the best ways of charging your devices. That wasn't a lot to take in at once, but I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's get started with the pricing. This mouse was $100 when it was first released. Now you can get it for as cheap as $80 during deals. I don't recommend secondhand because I've used this for a year and a half, and this does not look like new. The MX Master 4 will likely cost the same as the MX3's price when it was first released. So here's what this means. You can buy the 3 right now for $80, or you can wait 3 months and buy the 4 for $100. See the problem? There's a 2-year difference between the 2 mice, yet they're only separated by $20. Definitely an advantage to getting the newer MX Master 4. As hinted previously, there's also a problem with time. We think the MX Master 4 is coming in September, but we have no idea. You can buy the 3 at this exact moment, or you can wait 3 months and hope that you get lucky and get the Master 4 before it sells out. Or better yet, it doesn't even release this year. For the lowest risk, a point definitely goes to the MX Master 3. On the topic of eliminating risk, I give you, before I finish this sentence, to go down and press the like button, as there's absolutely nothing that can go wrong if you like the video. Got it? Thanks. That was a horrible transition. With all that's discussed in mind, the features are what ultimately decides which mouse you go with. Watch the MX Master 3, the smooth steel wheels, it glides so free. Now, think of the MX Master 4. Can it get much better? I'm not too sure. You can change up the material, but it's still the same old core. On the other hand, you can argue it's bluff. I'm leaving out all the important stuff. Longer lasting batteries, DPI that's higher, it's never enough. Overall, comparing an unreleased product is really tough, but being the poetic man that I am, it really doesn't matter which one you go with. Who am I kidding? Go with the MX Master 4. I say this because in today's world, newer almost always means better, at least for gadgets and technology. Getting the MX Master 4 will likely mean better longevity and software support, especially for a mouse that requires literal software to keep running on your computer. It's just my opinion. Comment yours below if you have your own. By the way, while you're down there, be sure to press the like, subscribe, and the bell button so you can get more videos just like this one. Yes, one take. Just kidding.